Thank you for your interest in the Facilities Project Estimating website. The Texas Higher Education Coordinating Board, or the THECB, collects construction cost data from higher education institutions across the state of Texas. This data is used to create average square foot costs for common areas of higher education construction. 12 of the most common categories of construction are identified in the column to the far left of the page. The middle column shows the square footage cost for each of the categories for new construction. For example, if you were considering constructing a new classroom, you would take the square footage of that classroom and multiply it by 420 here. The next column is similar to the first, but is for repairs and renovation projects. So if you were repairing or renovating a classroom, for instance, you would use $212 to multiply by your square footage. It is important to remember that these square footage costs are averages of multiple projects across the state of Texas with varied scopes of work. However, once your limitations are understood, they can be very useful in determining basic pricing guidelines for upcoming projects without requesting an official estimate. Thank you again for your interest in the Facilities Project Estimating website.